Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to How to Paint Watercolours with me, Colin. This is the paint mixing video for the river scene called Summer River Landscape, and we're going to be dealing mainly with mixing a few summer greens. It's coming at the end of spring and coming into summer. I'm going to have a dusky sky, so let's set off with a little bit of the blue skies. I've already added some water in. I don't need much colour for these, I just want something paint. This is cobalt blue, just with a touch of Prussian blue. And then I want some cat yellow deep, along with some cadmium yellow light. Don't need much of this, that little bit stronger. These will be the main colours that I will be using, and if should I need to alter them, I will alter them in the video. Cadmium red, pale, cadmium red deep. Strong colour, these cadmium reds. A bit stronger in that one, I think. And then I might want to make a little bit of a purple up. Let's remove some water out of that. Cadmium red deep. Just a touch of Prussian blue and add it very slowly. And that's the colour I want. All these colours will basically be going into the sky. Now I'm going to mix up a few shades of green, and for this I'm going to be using cadmium yellow deep. I've already added water to the daisy palette. I don't think you need to be shown how to add water to something. You make enough for the painting that you're doing. And if you have any left over, you can always use it in a different painting. Then I'm just going to take some cadmium yellow lights here. Take some Prussian blue. Some light green. Add a little bit more Prussian blue to this for a mid-green. That's enough. And then for a really dark green, we can come over here and add a lot of Prussian blue to that. Now it's very vibrant now. And there's a bit of a May green kind of thing, which you might be using. And then into that I just want to kill a little bit of this off with some raw umber, just to flatten it a little bit. Just takes that bright glare out of it. And that's about it. These will be the main colours, and should I need to alter any of these, I'll actually do this in the video. This is the paint mixing video for a summer river landscape that we're going to paint. I will leave the link at the end, the very end of this video, and a link will appear where you can go should you wish to mix these colours and paint along with me. This is just some burnt sienna with French ultramarine, with more and more French ultramarine added to create a sort of a blacky blue, which we mixed up before. Like I said to you, this is something that we reuse time and time again. Enjoy the video. Thank you.